Hey, that feels like success.
I think this will work. You might even be able to jump off.
Pine Island, ahoy! Howdy, come here. Me and Bob are out here on Pine Island, yonder, doing a trial run for a Christmas bird count. We want to see if we can get a cannonball jelly. We want to see if we can get a Christmas bird count circle on the southern half of Edisto Island. Just because of how the Ace Basin circle over that way, and the Sea Island circle over that way, and the Beaufort circle that way, all line up. All we can really get is the southern half of Edisto Island. So everything south of Milton Creek pretty much. And today we're just out here doing Pine Island and Otter Island, trying to see what's out here. We just got a nice little clump of birds over on Otter Island, and we went over and checked the mariculture stuff in Fish Creek. A lot of birds there. Saw some piping plovers on Otter Island. I think that's a federally protected species, so that's a good bird. And yeah, none of the other count circles cover the southern half of Edisto Island or Pine and Otter Island, so I think it's something that we should try and capture if we can. And if we got the volunteers and we can get a circle, we're going to keep doing it every year. Next weekend we're going to have a volunteer crew going out to all the public access places on Edisto Island, Botany Bay, Hutchinson House, State Park, hitting the front beach, all that stuff. Just seeing what kind of birds are out here. And today, just because of the tides and the weather, we had to come out here and do it today. And yeah, that's what we're up to. It's a beautiful day to be out, like 65 in January. Welcome to Edisto.